Iowa, Bremer County Septic System Contractor, Bond. What is the Bremer County Septic System Contractor Bond? First things first, let's understand what a bond is. A bond is like a promise, or a guarantee. It's a way of assuring that if something goes wrong, there's a backup plan in place to make things right. In this case, the Bremer County Septic System Contractor Bond is a type of assurance required by the county government for contractors who work on septic systems. Why is it needed? Now, you might ask, why do I need this bond to work as a septic system contractor? Well, it's all about protecting the people and the environment. When you're dealing with septic systems, there's a lot at stake. If something goes wrong with the installation or maintenance of a septic system, it could lead to pollution of the environment or health hazards for the people living nearby. How does it work? Imagine you're a septic system contractor in Bremer County, and you've just finished installing a new septic system for a family. Now, let's say there's a problem with the system. Maybe it's not working properly, or it's causing pollution. In such a situation, the family might suffer damages or incur costs to fix the problem. But here's where the bond comes into play. If you have the Bremer County Septic System Contractor Bond, it means you've made a commitment to the county government that you'll follow all the rules and regulations when working on septic systems. If something goes wrong, the bond can be used to compensate the affected parties for their losses. How much does it cost? Now, let's talk about the money part. To get the Bremer County Septic System Contractor Bond, you'll need to pay a certain amount of money. In this case, it's $5,000. This amount serves as a form of financial security, ensuring that you're serious about your work as a septic system contractor. Who needs it? Not every contractor working in Bremer County needs to get this bond. It's specifically required for those who are involved in the installation, repair, or maintenance of septic systems. So, if you're planning to start a business or work as a contractor in this field, you'll likely need to get this bond. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.